Welcome to this video about Google AdWords scripts. If you're brand new to scripts, then don't worry, we're going to cover the absolute basics. I'm going to go through what scripts are, why you'd want to use a script, and some free resources that you can use to copy and paste scripts straight into your AdWords account so you can get started as soon as possible. So let's get stuck in. So firstly, what are scripts? Essentially, they're a bit of code which you copy into your AdWords account to automate tasks for you. And so people often use scripts to automate really repetitive tasks so that they don't have to do it themselves. They just get a script to run automatically in the background to perform these really repetitive tasks. And basically, scripts can help with lots of different things. The first application of scripts is to help with reporting, and you can have a script send you an email automatically giving you an update on certain information. So it's not making any changes, it's just emailing you with some kind of alert or performance report so that you don't have to manually go into your AdWords account and have a look at whatever you wanted to have a look at. You can get a script to do that for you. Or you can kind of go next level with scripts and you can automate it so that they can make changes in your account. So the script will trawl through certain data that you assign in the conditions, and you can say that and instruct it to make certain changes based on whatever conditions you set. So they're very, very powerful to do. If you're brand new, I wouldn't start with this particular one. I would just start for a reporting script, so that there's no implications in your account if you do it wrong or whatever. And you can also import third-party data to then use in your AdWords account as well. But as I said, if you're brand new, just stick with number one, just stick with a reporting script just to get your feet wet, and then you can start to get a little bit more ambitious with scripts. So you may be thinking, well, scripts sound a little bit similar to automatic rules, because automatic rules are not new in AdWords, and they can run automatically and make, let's say, changes to your bids and stuff. But the really big difference between scripts and automatic rules is that scripts can run hourly. So automatic rules, like scripts, can run daily, weekly, or monthly, but they can also, but scripts can run hourly as well. And essentially, as you can probably imagine, scripts save you a lot of time. A classic example of a script that we use in our agency, and we actually use two, so I'll give you two examples. The first one is what's called the landing page check. So you can imagine the worst crime you can make is to send traffic to a 404 page or a dead page. So rather than me having to go into every single ad account that we manage and check every landing page, I get a script to do it. So I get a script to check every final URL to make sure it doesn't come back with a 404 page. And what it does, it just sends me an alert if that occurs. And I can set this, and I do set this script to run hourly, such that when I have an account that's running a lot of traffic, we're alerted really, really quickly if something's happened to the server, or for whatever reason the landing page goes down. Another example is a search query script, so that I get emailed the search terms, so that I don't have to manually go into the dimensions report and look at the search term report. It just gets emailed to me straight away. So they're two examples. And the best part about scripts is that you don't actually need to know how to code, because, as I said in the start of this video, I was going to share with you some free tools that you can, some free websites that out of the generosity of their heart, they have shared with the community some codes that you can just literally copy and paste into your account. So those tools are, this first website is called freeadwordsscripts.com. And so that contains a whole bunch of scripts there, and there is a description as to what each of the scripts are. And the second tool is the developers.google.com. If you're brand new, I'd probably start with the second one first, just purely because it's sort of laid out a little bit more clearly, and it's just a lot easier to find a script that you'd possibly be looking for. So the beauty is with scripts that you can have them run for a single account or at an MCC level. So an MCC are for the AdWords managers out there in the world who have access to lots of different ad accounts. So there are scripts for an MCC level as well as a single account level. So on the right hand side here, this is a screenshot from this particular website, the developers.google.com, where you can see here it's got here, these are the scripts for a single account, and then down the bottom here they've got another sub menu for all the manager scripts as well. So for more information about how you can use scripts in your account and also some step-by-step how-tos, visit greenarrowdigital.com/training for a lot more in-depth training videos.